Let's talk about CHIPS Act. What is CHIPS Act? CHIPS Act is the abbreviation of Creating Helpful Incentives to Produce Semiconductors for America Act, passed by the United States Congress in 2021. The CHIPS Act aims to increase domestic semiconductor manufacturing capacity and address supply chain challenges by providing funding for research and development, incentives for companies to build or expand semiconductor manufacturing facilities in the United States, and other measures to promote innovation and competitiveness in the semiconductor industry. The Act also includes provisions for national security considerations in producing semiconductor technology. What is the total budget of the CHIPS Act? The CHIPS for America Act is a comprehensive piece of legislation that includes a wide range of funding and incentives for the semiconductor industry. The total budget for the CHIPS Act is not a fixed amount, as it has multiple programs and initiatives that may be funded over several years. However, over 5 years, the CHIPS Act includes provisions for $52 billion in funding for domestic semiconductor manufacturing, research and development, and related initiatives. This funding is intended to support the growth of the domestic semiconductor industry, reduce reliance on foreign sources of semiconductor technology, and address supply chain vulnerabilities in the semiconductor industry. Why CHIPS Act was necessary? The CHIPS for America Act was necessary for several reasons. Addressing supply chain vulnerabilities, the COVID-19 pandemic exposed vulnerabilities in global supply chains, including the semiconductor industry. With an increasing demand for semiconductors in various sectors such as automotive, healthcare, and technology, it became evident that the supply chain needed to meet the demand. The CHIPS Act was introduced to address these vulnerabilities and promote domestic semiconductor manufacturing. National security concerns. Semiconductors are critical components in various defense applications, and the United States depends heavily on foreign sources for semiconductor technology. This dependence raises national security concerns, and the CHIPS Act aims to reduce reliance on foreign sources and ensure that the United States has access to the latest semiconductor technology. Promoting domestic manufacturing, the CHIPS Act incentivizes domestic semiconductor manufacturing by providing funding and tax credits for companies to build or expand semiconductor manufacturing facilities in the United States. This is intended to promote job growth and economic development in the semiconductor industry. Overall, the CHIPS Act was necessary to address the challenges facing the semiconductor industry, promote domestic manufacturing, and ensure that the United States maintains its position as a leader in the semiconductor industry. Thank you for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any of my future videos.